Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we are going to make us a quick recipe. It's a recipe, but it's a dip because we got some kind of a function we're going to tomorrow. I don't know. Anyway, so it's a pickle dip, and it's easy. Only a few ingredients, but it tastes really good. It knocks your socks off. So without further ado, let's get to it. It's a nice dip. If you've never had it, make it. I'm telling you, like pickles, you're in. Okay, so here we have one packet of cream cheese. It's just about as soft as it can get at room temp. Anyway, back here I have about a third of a cup of red diced. I diced those as small as I can get them, red diced onion. Here I got some Old Bay seasoning, about I don't know, a little more than a teaspoon, I guess. Some fresh ground black pepper. I got some garlic there. Got about a quarter of a cup of pickle juice. And I got 2 cups of chopped up pickles in there. Don't forget, save your pickle juice, guys, especially if you like them Bloody Marys. Okay, so what I like to do, there's no real rhyme or reason what you got to do, how you got to do it. But I like to take all my wet stuff right now and mix all that together. So we got the cream cheese here. Dump my onion in there. See, I wait till everything's melded pretty nice. Then I put the powdery stuff in and mix it. Okay. So then we're going to take some our garlic. Now garlic you can take as much or not, I'll have all the measured ingredients. I found quite a few recipes for this. I was looking for one because we had plenty of pickles. Now I ain't got so many. Okay, so now we're going to dump in our diced up pickle. Now see, you don't want to use your food processor because then it gets them too gooey. But that's all right. Yeah, I use it, so I was trying to save time chopping the little babies up, but I ended up chopping them up anyway. Because 2 cups is a lot of stuff. Okay, and then let me just try to mix this a little first. Okay. If you like pickles, you're going to love this dish. I'll tell you, it's a nice twangy flavor. It's really good. I want to put hot pepper flakes in there, but the powers that be ain't mentioning no names, pound. But okay, let me mix this and we'll be right back. Okay, so you can see I mixed pretty good. Now I'm going to put my pickle juice in there. Like you ain't got enough pickle stuff in there, right? But it comes together nice. This makes it moist enough to where you can almost dip a chip. I've got another recipe that's another pickle dip recipe, but it's made for dipping chips and such. This one's a little bit little stiff, I guess you'd say, for chips and that, I think. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna use here in a minute. All right. Now we're gonna take some Old Bay and try to sprinkle it in there, so you don't want one big clump just in case you don't mix it too good. Okay, so now we're gonna mix that in. I love the smell of Old Bay. I love the smell of napalm in the morning. That's an old movie. Yeah. All right. But that's the reason that you put the liquid and stuff. See how nice and soupy this is getting. And now we're going to put some black pepper in there. Now that's a teaspoon, a little bit more than black pepper. Maybe 2 teaspoons. I can't remember what I put in there. Every time I do something, I change my mind. So that's basically what you got to do to it, like that. All right, so I'm going to plate a little of this up into a nice little bowl, a little ramekin or whatever. Let me get a little clean around the edge. Get a little decorative buddy of mine in there, Mr. Elmo. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna just give this a little dash of color. There you go. All right. Put a little paprika right there on the top. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. But that does look good. And we'll meet you at the taste test table. Dun-dun-dun. All right. Dip time. Mr. Dan's. So where we got this recipe, I don't know if I mentioned it. The one that I went with the most was, I think her name was Kathy at Noble Pig. That's the blog. I follow that one a little bit. So anyway, there's another recipe I'm going to make, but this one is very good. It's got, if you don't like pickles, you're not going to like this. I'll put it that way. But you can dip carrots in here, broccoli, cauliflower, any kind of veggies you want. You can probably dip meat in there too. I don't know. But very good. Easy to make. And this will be like who made the dip? Who made the dip? Anyway, if you like our delicious dip recipe, give us a thumbs up. Share with your friends, your family, co-workers, whoever. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. You hit the subscribe button. It'll say subscribed, and then you hit the notification bell. That'll notify you each and every time we come up with another video. Man, that's really good, really good. Anyway, there's an arrow down button below the video box. You hit that. Drop down box will come down. That'll give you a link to Cooking with Miss Dan Facebook page, a link to my daughter's artwork site page, and a complete list of the ingredients and how we put them all together. So, without further ado, stay hungry, my friends, and when you are, we'll come back and we'll give you another delicious recipe dish just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying, stay safe, stay out of COVID, and we're out for now. Thanks for watching.